Hello darlings, my name is Nikima and we are Spainhomes. Today I am in the region of Murcia in a beautiful, very quintessential Spanish town called Alcantarilla. This town is known for its Arabic history and the actual name itself is named after a bridge. Right here I'm in the centre of the town overlooking their church, which is St. Paul the Apostle, and there is the symbol and the essence of this particular town. So today I'm going to be showing you two apartments that are newly built. They are offering 75 square meters of three bedrooms and two bathrooms, or you've got 45 square meters which is offering one bedroom and one bathroom. Let's begin the video, shall we? This would be the entry foyer in which you would enter the building for the property. This is a spacious area, well illuminated, it's clean and it's well kept. As you can see, the developer is still under construction, and as you can see, certain areas still have the work feel to it. But let's say, for example, that you wanted to go to get your car, you could have a lift that would take you to where the parking spaces are. Also, you will find that a storage room is included in the price. Hello. So as I come in through the front door, I am coming into an apartment that offers 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and is 75 square meters. This is the open living and dining area. It is 28 square meters with a ceiling height of 2.6 meters. They have used porcelain stone flooring all the way through, which gives it a light and bright feel. And as you can see over there, in what would be the living space, there is a very large window, and also it functions as a patio door, giving you a balcony and plenty of natural light. So now I'm going to show you over this way. You will find it leads to the separate kitchen. The separate kitchen, you have to use a little bit of your imagination because there currently aren't any countertops or appliances, but your kitchen would be included, just not the appliances. But as you can see, everything is already fitted for installation of that, and this door leads you to an outdoor terrace as well as where you would have your laundry needs met. So what I like about the space is that you have plenty of light bouncing off the walls in every room, and it does add to the feeling of it being spacious. So coming now to the hall, I'm now going to show you the area where you will find the bedroom quarters. So the first space that I'm going to go into is the first bedroom. This bedroom is light, much like the rest of the home. It is 10 square meters. On one side you have a large window, and on the other side you have your fitted wardrobes. Coming out of the first bedroom, it also leads on the other side of the hall to the guest bathroom. Going across the hall some more, I'm now going to take you into the second bedroom. This bedroom is again 10 square meters. You have a large window there giving you views of the landscape and also natural light. And then you also have the integrated wardrobes on the wall on the other side. Now, coming back into the hall, you'll see that there is the dial there for the air conditioning system. And then through this door, it leads to the primary suite. This space offers 18 square meters. It is light and bright. You have a patio door on one side with a small balcony, and then you also have on the other side your integrated wardrobes. What's nice as well is that the ensuite is rather spacious and it comes fully equipped. Additional information about the apartments I'm showing today, they all have great specifications. Just as I'm leaving this particular one, you have there your intercom system and alarm system. And what's fantastic is the actual price point. So I'm coming into the space here that would be where you will find your lift. You have your well-illuminated corridor that is well maintained and kept nice and clean. And what's fantastic is the community fee is really low. So it works out to be 360 euros per year. The property tax is 400 euros per year. The specifications on the home are fantastic in the sense that it includes a parking space, you have LED lighting, air conditioning, and fully fitted fixtures and fittings throughout. So now we're coming into the second apartment. This apartment is 45 square meters and it offers 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. So the price differentiation between the two, everybody, we're looking at the 45 square meter one now, which is priced at just 90,000 euros. And then we've also just seen the other property, which was the 3-bedroomed, 2-bathroom one. That one was 130,000 euros. So just think, if you want this one, just for the small mortgage of 45,000 euros, you could own it. Fantastic, isn't it? I mean, how often does that happen? Anyway, so we are in this space. This would be your open kitchen and also your living room. As you can see, light is filling the room through this large window that also works as a patio doors. And so this would be the space in which you would have as your living area. I do like that it's got the lightness, but it's also got the natural effect with the storage cabinets that they have in place. Now, coming along the hall, it has a similar feel, and as you can see, we are now leading to the guest bathroom, which is fully equipped. And then next to that, you have the primary bedroom. So the primary bedroom is 14 square meters. You have a large window on one side. In fact, it's not a window, it's actually a terrace, should I say. And then you also have on the other side your integrated wardrobes. So, as you can see, lovely space all the while, and really, really fantastic for the price point that it currently is at. Just 15 minutes away from where we just looked, everybody, we are in the city of Murcia. This town is known, or should I say city, is known as a very cultural and historic place. But right here we're in the shopping quarter, overlooking this beautiful church behind us, and whiling away our time having a beautiful view around these gorgeous boutiques and shops in line for the Christmas season. So, if you did like the video, don't forget to check out the finer details on our website, which is spainhomes.estate. Also, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. My name is Nikima. It was lovely to see you, and we will see you next time. Hasta pronto!